Question of the day. Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's question is based on concept of matrices. So let us start. In this question, we have three matrices such as matrix A, matrix B and matrix C of order 3 with two conditions such that first condition is this and second condition is this. Then we have four options. Option 1 is determinant B equal to determinant A. Option 2, determinant B equal to minus determinant A. Option 3, determinant C is equal to determinant A. And option 4 is determinant C is equal to determinant B. To find the solution, we already have two conditions in question. So consider first condition, that is Bij is equal to square root of minus 1 raised to I plus j into Aij for all I comma j. Now we already know that square root of minus 1 is nothing but an imaginary number. Therefore we replace square root of minus 1 by I. Therefore our condition becomes Bij is equal to I raised to I plus j into Aij for all I comma j. In question we already have Aij is our matrix A, Bij is our matrix B and Cij is our matrix C. Therefore we convert this condition into matrix form such as. Nextly, to find solutions, check our options. All options are asked about determinant. So by using concept of determinant, we have determinant B is equal to determinant of I raised to 1 plus 1 into A11, I raised to 1 plus 2 into A12, I raised to 1 plus 3 into A13, I raised to 2 plus 1 into A21, I raised to 2 plus 2 into A22, I raised to 2 plus 3 into A23, I raised to 3 plus 1 into A31, I raised to 3 plus 2 into A32 and I raised to 3 plus 3 into A33. Here our matrix is of order 3. Therefore our determinant must be of order 3. Now by using property of determinant, take I common from row 1, row 2 and row 3. Therefore I raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3. Similarly, take I common from each column, that is first column, second column and third column, that is I raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3 into remaining determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, which is nothing but determinant of A. This first I from row wise and this second I from column wise. Therefore I raised to 6 into I raised to 6 into determinant of A. Here base is same, therefore add its powers. Therefore 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 we can write it as I raised to 2 raised to 6 into determinant of A. As we know I is equal to square root of minus 1, then I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore replace I square by minus 1 raised to 6. Odd number raised to even number is even. Therefore minus 1 raised to 6 is nothing but 1 into determinant A. That implies determinant B equal to determinant A. Determinant B equal to determinant A. Therefore option 1 is true and we denote this condition as equation number 1. Similarly consider second condition which is given in the question. As options are asked about determinant, therefore convert this equation into determinant form. Therefore we have determinant C is equal to determinant of minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into A11, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into A12, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into A13, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into A21, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into A22 and so on, minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 into a 3 3. Now by using property of determinant, take minus 1 common from row 1, row 2 and row 3. Similarly, take minus 1 common from column 1, column 2 and column 3. Then we get determinant C is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3 into minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3 into this determinant A. This first minus 1 is from row and this minus 1 from column. Therefore, minus 1 raised to 6 into minus 1 raised to 6 into determinant A. That implies 1 into 1 into determinant A. That implies determinant C is equal to determinant A. As determinant C is equal to determinant A, then option 3 is true. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we have determinant A equal to determinant B equal to determinant C. Therefore, from 1 and 2, option 4 is also true. Therefore, option 1, 3 and 4 are true. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.